Good evening, folks. This is Meteorologist Montana Wiggins with a severe thunderstorm, outlook for today. We have all the things ready for you. Oh, they updated it. Well, they're supposed to be updating it. No, they didn't update it, actually. They're supposed to be updating it at 3 o'clock, which is what on their website says. Okay. So, we got a marginal risk for Elgin, Fletcher. We got a slight risk for Cyril, Apache. I'm just going to name the big towns now. Marginal risk for Snyder, Roosevelt, Hobart, Gotebo, Cordell, Anadarko, Carnegie, Eakley, Binger, Lakiba, Hinton, Union City, Minko, Tunnel, Amber, Chickasha, Norge, Ninnekah, Rush Springs, Alec, Bradley, my bad. Marlow, Bray, Duncan, Velma, Alma, Empire City, and Comanche. Can't forget about our friends in Chattanooga as well, or Lawton. So, looking at your tornado risk, look at that. That was all green today. All that brown on the thing, that was all green. But yeah, so if I honestly, with the tornado parameters that I'm seeing right now, oh my goodness, it should be all the way out here, or a little bit southern, like maybe out here, if I'm gonna be honest with you, because this, oh, my bad, we were doing a practice live stream. So this is what we're dealing with. Look at the significant tornado parameter. Look at this, folks. This is actually not very good for us in Oklahoma. And what this is going to do is it's going to help fuel the storms. And this is invalid, probably. Yep, it is, because it's at 12Z, not 18Z. Yeah, when we were making this is 18Z. Zulu. So. Okay, look at this right here. That is concerning right there in this new model. Oh, it actually shows this north now, but from really 0 Zulu to 7 Zulu, we have tornado food for it, for the storms. Let's go to Supercell Composite. Sorry, folks, I'm scooting my chair up. From what I'm seeing right now, it doesn't look good. Yep, goes up right into our viewing area. Okay, look at this. It's in Grady and Stevens County, that purple. And if I go in here, that's almost maxing out the thing. So that is kind of dangerous. So let's see, that's 3 Zulu. So let's go to single image. Let's go to 3 Zulu. Okay, we're taking a look at Chickasha. Tornado pop. Goodness. Okay, do you see that down there? That's the effective layer. I'm not gonna say that's entirely like true. Like that is like what's gonna happen. Like what that's down to the point it's gonna happen, which it still could. So let's take a look at Elgin. See, the same thing. Okay, so if that's the case, they need to upgrade that, because if it's saying, it's predicting that we're gonna have, because this is the model's words, not mine, but if it's predicting over EF3, then we need a new scale, because that is crazy. And if I go into the core of this, wow, that's even saying, oh no. Okay, so if that is to happen, that's not going to be very good, because this is going to be at night. This is going to be from 11, this is going to be from 9 to 11. And, what's going to happen is, I'm clicking on the wrong stuff all the time. But what's going to happen is, it was showing that we could have more than EF4 tornadoes, which I don't think that's true, because it loses 44. Okay, so it loses 21 matches, and then on the supercell and significant hail, it loses 44. So okay, I think you're a moderator now. Go. Hold on, I gotta put my chat and pop out. Okay, there we go. So again, that is the risk, and I haven't looked at hail yet. Yep, that's hail. No, that was wind that I was showing you. This is hail. The more concerning hail is probably around Lawton, Chickasha, Oklahoma City, Canton, Hennessy, Enid, Stillwater, and Ponca City. So that may not be good. But we're gonna take a look at the HRRR. Wow, I didn't even look at the 18Z. That's crazy. Tell me if the quality is pretty good, the video quality. Yeah, tell me if the video quality is good or not, because I kind of need to know, so I could, mess with it, for not. Oh, okay. So this is the Supercell composite again. This is the HRRR model. We need the precipitation on here, and we need the rain too. We need the rain. I need to see what just got alerted here. Okay. So it's good. Okay. Thank you. So, I see that they just messed with the risk here. No, I don't see that they messed with the risk. My phone alerted me that they did. Hold on, I'm gonna have to look here in a minute, guys. Oh, and by the way, we're going to be using our radar a whole lot today. Oh yeah, I got pushed further north too. Okay, so it did update. Oh, I see there's a storm spotter by Apache. Oh, okay. So, summary: scattered severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of central and southern plains into the mid Mississippi Valley, mainly this evening through the overnight hours. This may include organized thunderstorms clusters across parts of Oklahoma into southeastern Kansas and western Missouri, capable of producing large hail. No, very large hail. Oh no. So, okay, so the wordplay was updated. It was large hail. Now it is very large hail. Damaging winds and perhaps a couple tornadoes. So, again, major cities affected: Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. And affected in the other areas: Kansas City, Missouri, New Orleans, Louisiana, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So, pick your town. But and they also did this for Fort Worth, but I think our main focus today is Oklahoma. Let's see if they updated the tornado. No, not that I'm seeing. Okay, they updated the hail because it wasn't towards Jigashay. Okay, so we're talking military time right here. 15 to 1900. We have a 10% chance of storms in this brown area. Oh, that's new. 19 to 2300. We have a 40% chance of storms in this area. Oh, that's new too. And then 13 to 700, we have 70% chance of storms in the red area. So, plus our main focus is down here. So, we could have storms firing at any time right now. We really need to be monitoring the radar, which I have on here. But they would form out near over here. It looks like there may be something over here. But there's storms in Clovis. But yeah, there is some storm trackers over here. Looks like we may get a shower near Childress. If that explodes, then we'll be covering that when it enters our area. But I'm thinking we may have to go live here today too. So let me get you the HRRR. Sorry, this chair just sounds weird. It's not me. Believe me. I wouldn't do that. Okay, look at this. This updated just now. Storms firing to the west. Okay, it's showing we may get storms in southwest Oklahoma, Comanche County. And then those will build up and build up. So, we're gonna take a look at the Euro model. I really never use this, but oh well. Yeah, that skipped a lot of hours. We're not going to look at the Euro model. Okay, so I really covered a lot. We're going to take a look at the RAP radar. So okay, in that last scan, it acted like it wanted to come southeast, which that may be the case, because it kind of killed that low pressure system when it did that too. See, like when it smashed that storm into the low pressure system, it kind of killed it. So we may get storms here. We just need to break the cap, and we need to look at the cap right now. Oh, they updated everything. Oh, but first we need to look at the vorticity. I've been meaning to look at this for a minute. Whoa. Yeah, that's probably cluster from the radar. No, I guess not. Okay, that storm took off. I can tell you that. And it looks like we're getting some vorticity, but not a whole lot. And I'm not one of those guys that'll just like hype you up. I'm not one of those people. I think the cape can be broken. So, because if we look at our temperature, it's 83 right now, currently at the studio, is what my computer says. But this is up in the atmosphere. If it would load. Surface temperature. There we go. Okay, so it's supposed to get up to 86 in Lawton, 91 on the Texas and Oklahoma border. And look what we're dealing with when we get these storms. When we get these storms, we're going to be dealing with 83 degrees. That's not good. That can break the cap. Which, when that cold front comes in at 9 Zulu, we will be at a 58 degrees. So, and then we'll try to get cold again on Monday morning. So, it should be okay. Like, we may get a tornado over here. Trying to pick the best word play. But, again, look, what happened? Oh, nope. But again, looking at radar, I don't really see anything right now. I'm trying to go in the background and show you guys something that pertains to weather, but okay, so again, the weather is looking nice right now. The earliest time, let me go to the NWS in Norman, but so they've upgraded. Okay, I see how they updated their risk now. Hold on, they just updated their risk, guys. They pushed it more west and south. I just noticed that. I'm sorry, folks. I didn't see that first. But I see that now, so that's all that matters. Okay, so your timing. Earliest start is 5 o'clock, which would be from 2 hours from now. But, okay, so. And, 7 a.m. is the most likely time it will start. 7 p.m. I'm so sorry. I was looking at the a.m. up there. And then ending by 11. So, not everybody will see storms in their area. But, any that do form could be severe. So, we need to watch that. Because, again, look at that. So, I think the tornado risk should be a low over here, not a very low. Because, if that was to happen, then that would be bad for them. Like if we had a couple of tornadoes, that'd be bad for them. So, bad for guessing. So, again, I'm trying to get you something here. I have to look at the Oklahoma weather thing. So, oh, and by the way, I need to show you this. So this Western Oklahoma WOW. That's the North American model. That is the NAM. Look at that. And then here is the NAM again. Then there's the HRRR model. But the North American model is doing well on that. So, well, after the North American model, then I am getting off of here. I am going to get something done. Oh, well, we need to be in this. Sorry, folks. There's a couple of things I need to set up in here. Okay, that's interesting. So, it's saying we can break the cap down here and we can get some storms to form. So, this is way different from my first forecast today. So, just letting you know that. So, well, as always, stay with me. I will keep you advised.